Hello everyone, it's Nintendo in here, and today I'm doing a unboxing, or unpackaging I guess you could say, video of a special Nintendogs package that I've gotten from eBay. The seller was selling off a lot of Nintendo related merchandise and special items and stuff, and I managed to snag a pretty good deal. I've also got Pixel here, and two of my Aibo plush and Nintendogs plush. Basically Nintendogs has been my favorite game since childhood. It was the very first game that I ever owned. It wasn't the first I played, but it was the first I owned. And I still collect it, and I have a very big collection of the games, which I'll eventually be showing on YouTube once I get a few more of the ones I want to get a hold of. Anyways, let's go ahead and start with unwrapping this. Never done an unboxing before, so let's see how this goes. Alright, trying to be careful and not show my address. Looks like everything is put into a little bag here. I'm going to get these things out one at a time. Okay, first off, I've received 3 of this right here, which probably is not showing up really good on the camera, unsurprisingly. And this is 3 of the download/relay bark mode demos. I've already got one of these, but there's actually something pretty special when it's used its very first time that I'm going to be showing that I don't think has currently been documented on YouTube, and I'll be documenting that for the first time with one of these. The first time I tried it, I didn't know that this was going to be like a special message kind of thing, so I just didn't record it, and I wish I would have. And of course, all of these say property of Nintendo, or they actually say property on Nintendo, but I guess lost in translation. Not for retail, demo game pack only. The store number has not been filled in any of these. Pretty cool. I'll put those right there. And also, I've got what appears to be... Here's a large promo dog collar that says Nintendogs on it. These were apparently given away at the release of the game to be put on dogs, I guess, to advertise for the game. I love promotional items. Here's a leash that matches that one. A little disappointed that it isn't the retractable leash that's used in the game. Just kidding, of course. Here is a smaller dog collar. Let's see, I'm trying to... Oh, I'm holding my hand in front of the camera, sorry about that. And I think this is another leash, maybe, or 2 leashes? I think that's just 1 leash, and it's bundled up still, so it hasn't been used yet. And I believe this is a small and large collar. And a extremely large collar. I don't think I have any dogs or robotic dogs that this would fit on. Comparison on the size of Pixel's neck. Yeah. Anyways, here's another somewhat large one. And one more very large collar. I'm not exactly sure what these are for. I don't know of any dog with a neck that huge. Actually, there probably are dogs with necks that huge, and these might be retractable to make them kind of smaller. I'm gonna have to try that. Anyways, that is my big Nintendogs package with a few little promo items that were given away at the release of the game, that being some collars and leashes, and these download/relay versions, which I will be showing one of them, I guess starting brand new, showing it on YouTube, and I'll show off the rest of my Nintendogs collection at some point in the future. And let's get the camera to focus on that one more time. Is it going to even do that? There we go. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll have better content on here soon. And have a great day, and thank you for watching Nintendo 110, and please like and subscribe if you would like. Thank you, and goodbye.